Are you ready for the ultimate showdown between human and machine? Artificial intelligence, or AI, has revolutionized the way we live our lives. From chatbots to self-driving cars, AI has become an integral part of our society. But what happens when we start relying on machines more than we do on ourselves? In the battle of human versus machine, who will come out on top? The rise of AI has brought about fears of job loss and the potential for machines to take over tasks traditionally performed by humans. But is this fear justified? While machines are capable of performing tasks with greater efficiency and accuracy, they lack the emotional intelligence that humans possess. Machines cannot empathize or connect with people on a personal level, which is essential in many industries such as healthcare and counseling. Furthermore, AI is only as good as the data it has been trained on. If a machine is trained on biased data, then it will produce biased results. Humans, on the other hand, are capable of critical thinking and making decisions based on intuition and judgment. So, while machines may be able to perform many tasks better than humans, they will never be able to replace the emotional and cognitive skills that are uniquely human. In conclusion, the rise of AI does not necessarily mean the demise of humanity. Rather, it is an opportunity for us to use these machines to enhance our capabilities and improve our lives. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content.